Smith water purifiers provide mineralized hot water at the press of a button. There are two temperature settings to get hot water. Hot water for drinking at 45 degrees Celsius can be obtained with a short press of the button. This changes the display from room temperature to 45 degrees Celsius. Then by unlocking the child lock and pressing the lever, hot water at 45 degrees Celsius can be drawn. Hot water for cooking at 80 degrees Celsius can be obtained with a long press of the button. It takes a few minutes for the water to heat up, and once ready, the temperature display changes to 80 degrees Celsius, after which the hot water can be drawn in a similar way. The hot water is stored in a stainless steel tank with a capacity of 800 ml. During the purification stage itself, A.O Smith's Mintech filter adds essential minerals like calcium and magnesium naturally to the water. This ensures that hot water is also mineralized and tastes good. The hot water feature has many everyday uses, like cooking, making a bowl of soup, to even making a cup of coffee or green tea. A.O Smith water purifiers, providing mineralized hot water at the press of a button.